Okay, cooking with Mammy, and we're going to make some guac and chips tonight. Homemade chips and guac. Okay. All right, we're going to start with our avocado. I'm hoping this one feels not squishy, but it feels soft. So, guys, I'm not good at telling about these, but you just start cutting right in half. Just kind of let your knife flow, but be careful. And then you just twist it just like that. Oh, yeah, it's just right. Look. Just right. Okay. Then when you do that, you just take your knife, whoops, and kind of twist it. And then you're, oh, I didn't even show that. But anyhow, I took my knife and hit it right there. And then twisted it, and it comes right out. Okay? Okay, that's where we're at right now. Then once we do that, you take your knife again. And I just go, and be careful and not get all the way to through it. I'm not pushing down hard on my knife. I'm just making like hash marks in it. Just like that. And I'm kind of feeling that it's going down all the way, but right in there feels like that guac right in there might be a little bit hard, but that's okay. Now let me get you up here closer so you can see our bowl. Don't pay attention to my wall over here. I haven't finished it. I've got my grease getting warm, but it's just warm right now. Now you just take a spoon and you just get right along the edges where you just cut at, and you just scoop out, guys. Simple, simple, simple. Look there. Scoop it right out. And see, that's what we have right now. Now we're going to do the second one. Again, we're just going to make hash marks. Not pushing real hard on your knife, guys, because we don't want it to go through the avocado. The skin is pretty hard, though. The skin's pretty hard. I'm just cutting right through it. Y'all please share this out. Y'all know I'm trying to grow this page, and when we reach 10,000, I'll be giving another set of our Karoti cookware way, if they still have it. They were already sold out at Walmart. They were already sold out of well, so was Amazon. Neither one of them had this cream set that I'm cooking with tonight. But then I didn't get my fork. So anyhow, then you just smush your. Wish I'd got my fork, guys. Here, I can use this one with my chicken. I cooked some. I'm gonna clean it off. It's good. Good chicken I just had. But I just cooked some sauteed chicken with sweet chili sauce glaze over on YouTube. Well, I ain't cooked it on YouTube yet. I just cooked it, and I'll be sharing it on YouTube. But you just take your knife, and hopefully your avocado, I'm going to tell you, they're hard to tell for me. I'm not really sure when they're done and not done and whatever. But you just keep smushing it. Smushing it up. And this one is a little bit, there's parts of it that's hard, parts of it that's good. So, we're just going to smush it the best we can, because I don't mind chunks of avocado. I love guacamole. It's funny, I used to wouldn't eat it. With a 10-foot pole, I would not eat it. And now I absolutely love it. Okay, that's going to be enough, because I want to go on and want to move on. You can smush it up way better than that, though. Okay. Now, we've got that. Now, to that, I always lick my finger. Now, we're going to just sprinkle it with, I'm going to say I'm using probably 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. And this is not my preferred kind. That's just all I had. And then salt to taste. Y'all know I'm a sprinkler just like this. That's how I sprinkle mine. I go over and back. Okay, and then you just mix that up, and then you just taste it and see if you want more. I'm going to go ahead and move my temperature up to 8 so that we'll be ready to fry our chips. And then I'll be ready to eat my snack. I will show you my chicken, though. And I'll let y'all know as soon as I get the recipe up over there on YouTube or get the video up. Maybe y'all can go watch it. Okay, let's see. I think I can use a touch more. You just have to taste it, guys. I'm going to use a touch more garlic. Woo! A lot of touch. That was quite a touch. But see how it looks? So good. Okay, now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cheese corn tortillas. And all you do, guys, is cut them just like a pie. Can you see me cut them? Right there. Okay. I just cut them straight across. And then straight across again. And then across like that. And then across the same way. So just like a pie. That's going to be quite a few chips. I probably won't need this many, but that's okay. And I don't like to just throw mine all in at one time. Let's just see. I'm going to turn you back to the grease. And we're in my carote pan. Let's see if I can. I'm going to lower you down just a little bit and see if maybe you can see more into the pan. There we go. Right there. Okay. I don't know if you can see that. It's just, when I put it in, it immediately starts floating. So I go ahead and just add them all in there. And you can cook more than just like one layer when you're cooking these, because they cook pretty fast. And all we're wanting them to do is lightly brown. So see, I'm putting about 3 stacks in there. And then I'll just use my turner. I do not have my rubber turner for my pan yet. So I'm going to have to be very careful, guys, and not scrape up on my pan, because I love these pans. But we're just waiting. This is new grease, so you know it's going to take a little while for them to brown. Have your salt ready. Have your salt at hand. And have your way to drain them on. If y'all see I've got my cooling rack laid in my sheet pan. I've got my salt ready. And as they start cooking, you just want to kind of turn them. Y'all share this out, please. We've got 75. That's great on a new page. I'm so tickled. Thank you, guys. Y'all share it, share it, share it. Let's get our cooking out there. Because I'm going to be cooking on here now. I won't lead live all the time, guys. Sometimes it'll be pre-recorded. Just depends on what I'm cooking. Tonight was fairly easy to fix in one thing. And you do want enough grease in here. See how that one's brown? That's good. You just want them crispy. If you don't let them get brown, they will not be crispy. They'll be kind of limp. You don't want limp chips. Then just spread them out over there on their cooking sheet. I got caught up in my thing. Got to be real careful though, because I don't want to mess my cookware up with this thing. I'm going to go ahead and put me some more in real quick. It's so quick and easy, guys. And homemade chips are so good. And this is just 7, and you see how many we're getting. Quite a few. And I just put mine in one at a time. I don't just throw them all in. And then while that's cooking, I just take my salt and salt over my chips. And then that way, you got it on this cooling rack, it can just fall through. Now once your first cooking goes, once your grease has kind of got good and hot, and even this new grease, it's going to brown them quick. You've got to watch them. You can't turn your back on them, because they'll be brown before you even know it. See, some of these is already starting to brown. But I'm just trying to keep them turned because I want all sides of them to get brown. Look how pretty and brown these are back here, though. Look at that. And see, there's one already brown. I got to get him up. Keep them turned. And sometimes tongs probably would be your best bet for something like this. But I use my only pair of rubber tongs to cook my chicken. Not my only pair. My only pair that I can lay my hands on. Because y'all know I'm working in my kitchen, so everything's not in the drawer where it should be. Because my drawers are cleaned out right now. Because I'm trying to decide right where I want to put everything. You know what I mean? Like, so everything has its place, and I know right where it's at. And so, yeah. That's where I'm at right now. And it never fails when I need something. You can never, ever find it. Okay. Now, while this cooking's cooking, we'll go ahead and taste it. And see how good it is on our chip. Because them should be cooled down enough that they won't, you know, burn me. I think I can go ahead and turn the fire down 6 to 7. And let's go ahead and get one of these earlier chips. Let me go ahead and salt it. I'm sorry. Let me salt these I just took up while they're still, you know, kind of warm and fresh. Okay, let's see. Let's just see. I'm going to put you back a little bit because you done seen the whole thing now. So we'll just taste it and we'll be done. Let's see how crispy. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, I'm going to finish cooking my chips, and then I'm going to eat my snack. All right. Oh, let me show you my chicken. Look at that. That's called chicken sauteed with sweet chili sauce. Sweet chili glaze. But it'll be, I'll let y'all know when it's up. But that's it. Y'all sprinkle it out, and yay! All right. Love you guys.